Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna give you a quick tour and review of our hotel here in the Intramuros, the Bayleaf Hotel. Today, we're kicking things off with a special tour of the remarkable hotel that served as our cozy sanctuary on our very first day in this beautiful country, the Philippines. But before we begin into this exciting hotel tour and review, I just want to take a moment to express my sincere appreciation for all of you guys who have joined me in this incredible journey. Your support and engagement mean the world to me. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the breathtaking travel and lifestyle experiences I share to my channel. And what we really like about the Bayleaf Hotel is that from the moment we arrive, we've been greeted with warm hospitality and helpfulness. They're very helpful in arranging airport pickup for us and simply opening the doors. The staff goes above and beyond to ensure our stay is comfortable and memorable. While there are many positive reasons to staying at the Bayleaf, I find that there are a couple of areas that could use improvement. I mean, the toilet could be better.
This is the toilet. It's messy now because we're about to check out, so we use everything, of course, but just to give you an idea what you would expect here. So of course the shower, the hotel. So please don't judge. As I said, we're gonna leave. We're checking out in a while. I'm just giving you a tour.
The water flow during showers can create a bit of swampy situation. And also, despite being non-smoking area, I can still smell tobacco in our room. I feel like with no windows and proper ventilation, that could be the reason. Other than that, the Bayleaf offers a lovely stay in close proximity to the historic Intramuros Fort Walls. With its excellent staff and the opportunity to dine at the breathtaking Skydeck, this boutique hotel has a lot to offer.
This is the Sky View restaurant.
Just keep in mind the minor issues I mentioned earlier. When it comes to dining, they have their all-day dining panoramic restaurant on the 9th floor, and it offers breathtaking views of the Manila, making it the perfect spot to enjoy a delicious meal. And for a more laid-back experience, head to the roof deck al fresco lounge where you can unwind and take in the city's beauty. Now, before we wrap up, I want to give a special shout out to one of our incredible viewers, Bike Tayo 7055. Thank you so much for your continued support and for being an avid part of our journey. And to all of you watching, remember to join the conversation and connect with fellow travelers like Bike Tayo 7055. Together, we make this community thrive. Thank you once again for joining me on this unforgettable hotel tour and review. Your presence and support have truly made this experience even more incredible. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue exploring amazing destinations with me, remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications. And don't forget to spread the love during our live videos with super chats, super thanks, and super stickers in the comment section. Your contributions make a huge difference. Until our next adventure, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep making memories that last a lifetime. See you soon!
It's messy already. Who farted? Who farted?